Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 and I'm gonna show you how to take active photos in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this button above the shutter. When we tap here, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. At the third position now we have active photos option. We can tap here to stay on the auto, so now the camera should automatically take these photos if it's possible. We can turn it on every time we take a picture or just turn them off as we need. Now let me keep this on, turn it on every time we take a photo, and let me try to use this so when we take a picture we should get two in one, the photo and the short clip. Maybe let me give more space to my camera. And this is my object. Let's take a picture. Now let's move back to this view. To see the photo, let's move to the right button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like with a static photo. We have this small icon here to play the active photo. And as you can see now, we can see the short clip. We can also stop this to see again the picture. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.